the line connecting AC or line connecting BD. So these will be the two diagonals of a parallelogram. So both of these will be equal in the case of rectangle. So in a rectangle, both the diagonals are equal. Next we have rhombus. Rhombus is a parallelogram with adjacent sides equal to each other. So let this be ABCD be a rhombus. So AB will be equal to CD. AB will be equal to CD. Now if AB is equal to CD, and we know that in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal, that is BC is equal to AD. So AB is equal to BC and BC is equal to AD. So this will mean that these three sides are equal. Similarly, this will be also equal to this. So all four sides will be equal. AB is equal to BC, it is given because it is a rhombus. BC is equal to AD because it's a parallelogram and opposite sides are equal. That means AB is equal to BC is equal to AD. Similarly, AB is equal to BC and AB is equal to CD because it's a parallelogram. So AB is equal to BC is equal to CD. Hence all four sides are equal. So in a rhombus, it's a parallelogram with all sides being equal. Then that is the first property. The second property is diagonals intersect at right angles. So let there be a diagonal BD and another diagonal AC. So there will be two diagonals BD and AC. Both of them intersect at a right angle. The angle made by them will be a right angle. Okay, so these were the properties of rhombus. Then we have square. A square is a rhombus with a right angle. A square is just a rhombus with a right angle. So all the sides are equal and the angle being a right angle. So if any angle is a right angle, then all angles will be right angle. We know that. So as all squares are rhombus, they have all the properties of a rhombus and parallelogram. Okay, so opposite sides are equal, opposite sides are parallel. All angles are also a rhombus has all sides equal. So in a square also all sides are equal. All angles are right angles. Okay, both diagonals are equal. So both diagonals will be equal. Why are both diagonals equal? Both diagonals are equal because it's also a rectangle. A square is also a rectangle. What was the definition of a rectangle? A rectangle was a parallelogram with a right angle. So a square is also a parallelogram because square is a rhombus and rhombus is a parallelogram. So square is also a parallelogram and it has a right angle. So it follows the definition of a rectangle also. Hence, as rectangle has both diagonals equal, square also have both diagonals equal. Both diagonals intersect at right angle because in a rhombus both diagonals intersect at a right angle. So note that all squares are rectangles too, hence the above properties. So those were the properties of a square. Now trapezium. Trapezium is the simplest of simplest of quadrilaterals. Sorry, trapezium is the simplest of quadrilaterals. What defines a trapezium? It has only one pair of parallel sides. So AB is parallel to DC here and AD is not parallel to BC. Only AB is parallel to DC. Hence it is a trapezium. It does not have any significant properties, so we'll not discuss it here. So guys, that was the end of this lecture. Okay, bye.